Hi there, this year's theme is Let's Connect. And here's a way of connecting with the people around us. We're going to breathe together. And whilst we breathe together, we're going to imagine together as I do this visualization technique. So when you're ready, either sitting up or laying down if you're at home, you can have your eyes open or your eyes closed. But just gentle breathing we're going to be doing here. So it's a gentle in-breath and a gentle out-breath to make sure that we can flow nicely from the in and the out so that we don't have hold our breath in between, or that we breathe in so much that we have to kind of stagger the breath when we breathe out. Let's try it together now. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5 and breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5 and breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Gentle breath in. And gentle breath out. And an inhale. And an exhale. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, let's take ourselves to our favourite place in nature, either real or imagined, and breathing out. Inhale, what's the sky like? And breathing out. Inhaling, noticing the sun on your face. Breathing out. And the temperature on your body, breathing in, is just how you like it. And breathing out. Breathing in, what can you hear in your favourite place in nature right now? Breathing out. Breathing in, what type of wildlife can you hear? And breathing out. Breathing in, maybe you can smell leaves or flowers. And breathing out. Breathing in, notice the colours around you. And breathing out. Breathing in, belly rising. And breathing out, the belly relaxes in your favourite place in nature. Breathing in, who are you with? Are you on your own or with friends or family? And breathing out. Breathing in, what's the sky like as you look up? And breathing out. Breathing in, what's the ground like as you look down? And breathing out. Breathing in, have a look at what's in the distance. And breathing out. Breathing in, as you look in the distance, what other senses can you see, smell, hear? Breathing out. Breathing in, just noticing the surroundings, and breathing out. Breathing in, belly rising, and breathing out. Can you come back now, slowly coming back to the body that's here right now. Breathing in, belly rising, noticing your belly, and breathing out, noticing how the belly and the breath connects. That when you inhale, breathing in, the belly rises, and as you breathe out, the belly relaxes. Did you manage to take yourself somewhere as you're inhaling and exhaling on your own time now? Or maybe you can still hear the metronome in the background. Whichever breath you're doing, just noticing how you are now, where you're sitting or laying. Maybe wiggling your fingers, maybe wiggling your toes or shrugging your shoulders, doing what you need to do just to wake yourself up a bit. How did that feel for you? Was it easy to do, or did your imagination go somewhere else? There's no worries and no problem if you did. It'd be just interesting to see how easy it was for you to imagine the place that you wanted to go to. That's all from me for now. I'll see you soon. Bye.